quick breakdown in BTC USD for those who are margin trading and trading futures for BTC. I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown. So from the weekly perspective, what do we see in BTC? So back in 2019 we had a big drop and price tested around the 3,000 level. Then and price currently a couple months ago we see price coming and dropping and testing this kind of lows here, so forming this W pattern. So this is a very strong indication that we are forming what kind of like a double bottom. And when you look now, when you zoom in the charts, we see price broke these levels here, and now price above the EMAs, indicating that we're in a bullish and long opportunities. So EMAs are below the price action, indicating we're in an uptrend in the weekly. Then you break down to the daily. What are we seeing in the daily? We're seeing structure was being maintained and price was consolidating between two levels, which is the channels here, right here. You see these channels. So this is where BTC was consolidating, and it was taking the uptrend after this. This big drop here was caused by a lot of people leveraging in their margin accounts, and they got liquidated. So you had this massive drop here. So you see EMA crossover here in the daily, indicating we could have a temporary drop to either probably the key level I'm looking at is 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level from this low to this high. But we need to see price break this support level here, either break this support level here, retest and continue to the downside, and accumulate liquidity from this level. Why do I consider this liquidity level? So when you look previously in your left side here, we see accumulation phases here, meaning we had institutions that are putting their sell position. Then we had this breakout. They tested once, second, third, and we had this massive breakout. And price, when it came up, it tested the first time, it failed, and we had retest here, accumulation of many buy positions. Then we had this breakout, poof, to the upside, right? So the same is gonna happen. So we're gonna see price either break this support level here, then come and collect liquidities here at this level here, because a lot the institution have opened their positions here for long opportunities. That's why when they come here and collecting, when sellers are going to sell the market to these levels, they're going to face aggressive buyers here, so they're going to close their profits, and this is going to make the market continue going up, because the sellers they're going to turn into buyers, and the buyers who already entered in these levels are going to continue pushing the market upside. So that's why I'm highly recommending pay a close look at this level here. We have an EMA crossover in the daily, that's so it indicates temporarily downside. H4 also, what are we seeing? EMA is pointing downwards, structure is still maintained, creating lower high, lower high, low. We could say lower high here, then continuation to the downside. We need this level to be broken before going break this levels to be broken, and then retest and continuation to the downside. Same happening to the H1. Structure is still being maintained. So yeah, that's it. So you need EMA crossover here, or either testing these levels here, then dropping. So that's my perspective. For those who are holders, I recommend waiting, be patient, and buying at the dips, then holding it. For those who are trading, you could counter trend. You could counter trade this trade, either shorting it when it comes here, but be very cautious, because BTC is highly volatile. I don't risk too much, especially don't leverage also so much, so to avoid getting liquidated. So thank you for following me. Comment if you have any questions below, and I'll keep you posted. Thank